Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to compare two popular email marketing tools. These are MailerLite and the Mailchimp. Many small businesses, creators and online sellers use email to reach their customer. But the big question is which one is better and which one is the cheaper option. That's what we are going to find out in this video. But before we start, I want to say one thing in very quick. In the description of this video, I have added links where you can check the latest plans, feature and deals for MailerLite and the Mailchimp. So always check the description after watching the video. Now let's start with the MailerLite. So this is known for being very simple and beginner friendly. You can create beautiful email campaigns with drag and drop feature, and you can also create landing pages, pop-ups, and obviously you can do the automation. And many small businesses like MailerLite because the free plan is generous and the pricing is cheaper compared to other tools. The dashboard is very clean, so new user can understand it quickly. Another good thing is the automation. You can set email to go to customer based on their behavior, like opening emails or clicking links, and this is very helpful for growing your business. Now let's talk about the Mailchimp. Mailchimp is one of the oldest email marketing platform and it is very strong, and it has the automation feature and analysis also. You can track open rate, click rate, and see how your campaign is performing. Mailchimp also has extra tools like social media posting, landing pages, and some AI feature to improve your campaign. Many businesses use Mailchimp because it is reliable and trust. However, the pricing can be little higher than MailerLite or other tools, especially if you have many subscribers. So which one is better? If you want something simple and cheap and easy to start, then MailerLite is a very good option for you. But if you want more advanced tool with more template and you want extra feature, then Mailchimp is a better option, though it can cost more. Many people choose based on their budget and feature needs. So in short, MailerLite is a great option for beginner, for small budgets, and Mailchimp is great for businesses that want more feature and grow their businesses. Now don't forget to check the description for official links and updated plans, because that will help you to make the best choice for your email marketing. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.